Hey you guys, so tonight I'm babysitting a couple kids, as you can see, and they just wanted to say hi.
Hi!
Get your face. Look at her ear.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Look at your ear. You go up. You go up. Look at the camera. Ah! You go.
Look at our foreheads.
That, look. You say who's that? Look at you.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click like on this video. They would all appreciate it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, what do you guys say?
Bye.